Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to go over some of the basic assignments that we will have in class and basically how to complete them. So every week you will have for sure a journal entry to write as well as some activity from the end of the chapter to complete. This may change some after we get through the first 3 weeks of class, but these are just very good foundational activities to get you started and to demonstrate a solid understanding of some of the basics regarding interpersonal communication. So one type of assignment that you'll complete is called Everyday Skills, and I've given you the question to answer and the page number that you can find that on in the textbook. And for this, you can create a separate Word document if you would like and attach it to the discussion board, or you can actually cut and paste or type your answer into the text box. So to submit this assignment, if you're not familiar with this, you just click on the assignment, and hopefully it will open. Here we go. And then you click on Create Thread, give it a title, and then you have the text box. And it's here that you can attach a document here, or you can just type your response into the text box, whichever you would like to do. And then you just click Submit, and your response will be posted. This discussion board, everyone can see your responses. Part of the requirement, you don't have to respond to someone as part of the requirement for most of these. But I will let you know if that changes and if there's something I want you to respond to. So again, these are just opportunities for you to kind of reflect on some of the specific things that we're talking about from each chapter. Now you will also be doing a journal entry. And so for the journal entry, these are private. No one else can read these. But you will choose a concept or theory from the reading each week and respond to the following questions or statements. Why did you choose this theory of concept? Why is it important to you? So kind of like what attracted you to it? Why did it stand out to you? How does this theory or concept relate to your idea of communication competence? So when you think about being a competent communicator, how does what you have chosen to focus on from the chapter relate to that competency? And then you can reflect on any aspect of the theory or the concept that you find interesting or relevant to your relationships. So you can write about how maybe this is an area that you need to improve, or maybe you're in a relationship where the other person in the relationship needs to understand this theory or idea. Or maybe you find that there's something in the book that contributes to the successfulness of your relationships. Whatever it happens to be, provide some form of analysis for it. So in your response, just make sure you include an explanation of the theory or concept that you're discussing with a citation. We use APA citation, and I can post information about that. And also your response should be a minimum of 2 pages. If you're not writing about 2 pages worth of information about this, then you're probably not writing enough. Most journal entries are anywhere between 2 to 4 pages. It's pretty much a good rule of thumb. You will use these journal entries at the end of the semester to write your personal action plan. So the more you write in the journal entry, then probably the more you're going to have to write about for that final assignment. So these are just 2 of the types of assignments that we will complete every week. Sometimes we'll have 1 everyday skills activity, as in the week 3. Sometimes we'll have 2. I also may add a couple of small things if needed along the way once I see how the responses are, to these assignments. The everyday skills assignments are typically worth between 20 to 25 points. And the journal entries are worth 30 points. So these will add up for sure because we'll be doing these every week in class. So that's just a quick overview of some of the assignments, where you can find those and how to submit those. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much.